Hello, good morning, students. Let us try to understand one important topic, that is industrial usage of limestone and lime. Okay, our topic is industrial usage of limestone. You know very well that is calcium carbonate is known as limestone. This industrial usage we are going to study from the modern ABC book. Okay, student. So let us have a look over it, student. What are the industrial usage? Limestone rock is the common form of the calcium carbonate. Okay, limestone rock is common form of calcium carbonate, which also occur as chalk. Okay, marble, calcite, aragonite, etc. So limestone occurs in chalk, marble, calcite, argonite, etc. It also occur as a dolomite with magnesium. Okay, so dolomite formula, what is there, student? CuCO3 dot dot MgCO3. So this is the both the component of calcium magnesium there in the dolomite. Limestone and dolomite are widely used as a building material on large scale throughout the world. So this is limestone and dolomite. It is used as a building material in the large scale of the whole universe. Calcium carbonate is major industrial chemical and is important for the production of quicklime and slacked lime. Okay, so with the help of the limestone only we are preparing the quicklime by heating, or the slacked lime by dissolving in water. These chemicals have wide applications in the chemical, metallurgical and construction industry. Okay, they have the wide application in the chemical, metallurgical and construction industry. Some of the important industrial uses of lime and limestones are given below. First, industrial. Lime is an important constituent of the Portland cement, which is obtained by roasting limestone and sand with clay. So this is important constituent of the Portland cement. Limestone is important component of Portland cement. Second point, large quantity of limestone are used in the steel industry, where it is used as a flux to remove phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, Mn, etc. Okay, so it is used in the steel industry to remove act as a flux. Lime is also used as a lubricant in steel wire drawing and in neutralizing the wastage. So you are using in the steel plant, student, in the huge quantity as a flux to remove the phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, manganese, and also as a lubricant in the steel wire you are using. It has also been used in the production of the magnesium in Dodge process. So in Dodge process you are producing the magnesium. Lime is used in the chemical treatment of the Portland and industrial water supplies. Lime is used in the chemical treatment of Portland industrial and industrial water supplies. It is also used with iron. It is also used with iron or alum to coagulate suspended solid. Okay, so where we are using, student, you can see that is use is very high, student. Okay, to coagulate or suspended solid we are using, that is what, student? Lime along with the iron or alum. It removed turbidity. It also commonly used in the water softening to remove the temporary hardness. The common roasting occurring during the water softening art, that is calcium hydrogen carbonate is there, it is react with the slacked lime, it is giving calcium carbonate. Okay, we are talking about now slacked lime, this is also giving. So these are the getting precipitated down, student. Now the lime is used in the scrubbers to remove SO2 and H2S from the stock gases of the fossil fuel in power generation, okay, station and metallurgical smelters. Next, lime is used in the chemical industries such as manufacture of calcium carbide for obtaining acetylene, cyanamide and other chemicals. Next one, lime is used in a manufacture of glass. Lime is used in the manufacture of insecticides, calcium arsenate, and fungicides such as Bordex mixers. Okay, paper and pulp industry consume large quantity of calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Bleaching liquor calcium hypochlorite is obtained by reacting lime and chlorine. It is used for bleaching paper pulp. Especially precipitated calcium carbonate is extensively used in the manufacture of the high quality paper. This is obtained by calcizing limestone and collecting the carbon dioxide and calcium oxide separately. The latter is then hydrated by and recarbonated to get the desired carbonate. See, calcium carbonate is converting into CaO and CO2. This CaO react with water to giving calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide react with CO2, it is giving again CaCO3. So this process is known as calciting. Calcium carbonate has domestic and pharmaceutical application. Some of these are the antacid, mild abrasive in toothpaste, a constituent of the chewing gum, source of calcium enrichment in diets, a filler in the cosmetics. Lime is also find application in dairy industry. So this is all the points which are very important, student, regarding the limestone and lime. So you have to keep point for the JEE. It is not there in the syllabus of NEET that much, but in the JEE it is there, student. So you can read out from the for JEE advanced. Thank you so much for watching, friends.